In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit footer on Wix. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your site's footer in the Wix editor and how to customize its content and design so it fits your brand and looks polished. Start with your site open in the Wix editor. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page until you reach the footer. This is the horizontal strip at the very end of your page. Hover over that area and click anywhere inside it to select the footer. Once it's selected, you're ready to begin editing. You can start by working directly with the elements inside the footer. Click on any text to rewrite it, update the year in your copyright line, or refine a short description. If you have buttons or social icons, select each one to update their labels and destinations so they point exactly where you want. You can drag elements within the footer to reposition them and create a layout that feels balanced. And you can use the element handles to resize items so they fit neatly without crowding. With the footer selected, look to the right side of the editor for the Properties panel. Open that panel to adjust the design details. Here, you can change the footer's background color to match your site's palette, tweak opacity for a subtle or bold look, and fine-tune the overall height so the footer never feels cramped or oversized. For text elements, use the panel to set font family, size, weight, color, and alignment so everything stays consistent with the rest of your site. For icons and buttons, refine their size, spacing, and corner style until they feel cohesive. As you make changes, keep readability in mind. Ensure strong contrast between text and background so important details are easy to scan. Leave comfortable padding on the sides and top of the footer so nothing hugs the edges. Align items along a common baseline or center line to maintain visual order and a professional finish. Work methodically to keep styles consistent. Select an element, make your edits in the Properties panel, then move to the next element. This approach helps you maintain uniform colors, sizes, and spacing across the entire footer. When you're satisfied, scroll slightly up and then back down to double-check spacing around the footer. It should sit cleanly below your last section without any overlap. And that's it. You've edited your Wix footer by selecting it, refining the elements inside, and using the Properties panel on the right to dial in color, size, and style for a clean, on-brand result.